I think it's been a couple days, but still finding some goodies. Definitely still finding some goodies. There's an olive. Another one of my favorites. Spirals. Another oyster, because I just cannot stop picking them up. There's a little conch. Oh, did you just mean to get me with your fishing pole? You did poke me with your fishing pole. How big that oyster would have been. Oh my goodness. This is a broken piece of a pin shell. Past trips I've seen tons of these whole. Not so much this trip. Sometimes the inside can be quite beautiful, iridescent and stuff. So I've definitely picked up pin shells before in the past, but not seeing any whole ones this trip. Yes, I'm crushing shells. It is quite a bit. It's kind of hard not to step on shells on Sanibel and Captiva. Ooh, I think this might be a good spiny. Not bad. Still got a couple spikes left. Oh, that would have been, never got like a scallop too big. That would have been nice. See what I'm talking about, like the inside of the pin shells? Do you see how it's like rainbow iridescent? Some of the bigger ones can be quite beautiful. There's the top of a tulip. There's a whole olive. That's nice. Ooh, there's a big olive right there. Quite a good shell pile. I don't know what that guy's doing. Pictures maybe. I think it's a lip of a shell.
Very peculiar.
It's like Wish I could find that one whole. And that's like a piece of a coconut shell. That's definitely wood. Ooh, thank you, honey. Look what he found me. Very nice. Thank you. Alright, sun is still rising. Don't look directly into the sun. Sun is still rising.